I've made over $249,000 just by copying this channel Tech New. And in just 5 steps, I'm going to teach you exactly how to do this as well. So just some quick insight with this niche. In order to actually see success in this niche, there's two very important things that you should know. Number one, the video title templates are very, very important. And number two, the type of inventions that work the best is key in order for you to actually see results. And that's something that we are going to cover in step number 2. But for step number 1, that's where we're going to start. So step number 1 is going ahead and getting everything completely set up with the channel. And this includes the name and the branding. And for the name of this channel, we can actually just use a website called GymPix. So we're going to go ahead and go to gympix.co. And for this section right here where it says your word, you want to go ahead and just place tech. And then from there, I always like to have that word placed first. So I'm going to go ahead and just change this, your word position, to first, and then go one more time. So this is essentially the list of usernames that it is recommending. There's a lot of ads. You can just disregard the ads. It is quite annoying. However, we can go ahead and just go through and see which one honestly is best. So I do like Tech Weekly. Tech Weekly is a good one. I don't know where that one went, but I did see it right here. There we go, Tech Weekly. So we're going to go ahead and run with this. So we have the name for the channel, right? The name for the channel is going to be Tech Weekly. So now for the branding. For the branding, that is the actual logo, the profile picture, the AVI, whatever you want to call that. For this, we can just use ChatGPT. So we're going to go ahead and go over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this process. I'm just going to go ahead and write the prompt, and then I will continue back up when the prompt is all set. Okay, so everything's all set now. We went ahead and we clicked the plus, we clicked create image, and this is the overall prompt itself. I need a profile picture for a YouTube channel called Tech Weekly. I want an image that represents tech, and I want it to be integrated / blend in with a calendar. And the calendar is to represent weekly. Make sure it's minimalistic and use coloring that represents tech as well. There should be no words used in the logo, just the image itself. So we're going to go ahead and send this off, and then it's going to make the profile picture for the channel itself. And I will cut it and then I will play it again once it does have the images ready to go. Okay, so we have the images ready to go. So this is what it came up with. This is option number 1. This is option number 2. Both of these are very, very similar, just like the blue is a little bit brighter and the logo that represents tech is a little bit different. So I like this one. So this is the one that I would personally go with. So the name for the channel is going to be Tech Weekly, and this is the profile picture for the actual channel itself. And it's on a great track, right? I think our branding is going to be a lot better than Tech News. And then this, we can just do Tech Weekly, subscribe, very, very similar. So the channel is pretty much all set up, right? We have the name, we have the branding. So now we can go ahead and move into step number 2. And as mentioned with step number 2, this is where we're going to actually create viral video ideas. So the first step in creating these viral video ideas is going through and identifying the title templates that perform the best on this channel. And to do this, there's 2 things that we're going to use. Number 1, we're going to use Social Blade, and number 2, of course, we're going to use ChatGPT. Okay, so on Social Blade, this is where we're going to search up the channel Tech New, and then from there, we want to go ahead and click on this video statistics section. When we get here, the list section is much easier to like navigate and see everything. So this is the overall. Let me go ahead and hit refresh stats. Okay, so this gives you a list of all the video titles, the views, and when it was published. This is all very important information to identify the video title templates that perform the best. So what we'll do is we'll just hit file and then we'll hit print. And then this is where we can actually export all of this data. As you can see, we can go ahead and export all of this data. So from here, we now want to go ahead and make sure that they're all loaded in so that when we export the data, we can have a full list of every single video. So this is every single video. So now we'll see when we actually go to print or just save as PDF, we'll have every single video that this channel has uploaded. And this will help. So we'll just go ahead and save that. And this will help with ChatGPT when we go ahead and identify the video title templates. So first things first, we want to go ahead and have ChatGPT create a data set spreadsheet. To do this, we'll go ahead and we'll use this prompt right here. Okay, so the prompt that we're going to use is create a dataset parentheses spreadsheet for all the data on this PDF file. The list should have 3 columns. 1, video title, 2, video upload date, 3, number of views. Make sure every video that's on this PDF is included. So we're going to go ahead and send this, and we will see ChatGPT starts doing its magic. It's going to go through and create an entire spreadsheet with all of the data from the channel that was provided to it from that PDF that we got from Social Blade. So this will allow us to go through and actually have ChatGPT analyze everything. So number 1, it can identify the video title templates that perform the best, and number 2, identify the actual inventions that also perform the best. That way we can go ahead and combine those two to actually create viral video ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut the video and come back when that spreadsheet is completely finished. All right, now we have that spreadsheet fully complete. So this is the spreadsheet right here. So we can see this is all the videos that have been uploaded onto the channel, from the newest all the way down to the oldest video that was ever uploaded onto the channel. So we have 146 pieces of data that ChatGPT can go through and analyze. So there's a lot of ways that you can utilize stuff like this. When you have all the data on a channel, you can go through and analyze so much with it, but there's 2 things that we're going to use this data set for. Number 1, what we're going to do right now is go through and use this prompt to get the video title templates that get the most views on the channel. So we're going to use this prompt, and this prompt says, what video title templates does this channel use that get the most views? Make sure they're in a format like this. And the example I gave it is world's most amazing thing, right? The thing can be interchangeable. So we're going to wait until ChatGPT provides us that information. Okay, so these are the top video title templates. And number 1, we can see number incredible thing for pickup trucks you can't miss. The average views that a video that uses this video template gets is 255,000. So we can actually go through and see exactly what video title templates perform the best. So the next thing that we're going to ask is, so now we're going to see the number of views, the number of videos, my apologies, that each template have been used. So only 1 video for this one, 2 videos, 1 video, 2 videos, 3 videos, 1 video. So definitely not a lot for each one, which is great for us because obviously this channel isn't the best at doubling down on the top performers. So now what we're going to do is ask it what type of inventions get the most views. So we're going to use this prompt. What type of inventions perform best overall? For example, for your garage, we'll change the world, car, truck, and any of the other ones that it sees. And then once we get the answer for this, what we can do is take the top video title templates and the top inventions and then essentially combine them to create our video titles. So we'll change the world, car inventions, for your garage, police related inventions, tow bar inventions, military truck. Okay, so this is great information. So with this next prompt, what we're going to do is essentially have ChatGPT actually create a brand new list of 15 brand new, unique, but still matches the style of tech new, 15 brand new video titles. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Now, using the 15 video title templates and using the top inventions, please create a list of 15 brand new video titles that are guaranteed to go viral. Make sure it matches the style of the channel exactly. And we'll see exactly what it comes up with. Okay, so this is the list of 15 video titles that ChatGPT believes are guaranteed to go viral. So number one, we have 25 incredible car inventions that will change the world you didn't know about. I think that's a great title. Number two, 20 ways police stop dangerous cars you haven't seen before. That's a great one. 15 cool inventions for your garage that you should see. So these are all really, really good titles. And the reason they came out so well is because they're based on the top templates and the top inventions. And it has all the data that it needs to come up with this inside of this spreadsheet right here. It has 146 videos that it can analyze the title from, the number of views, the upload date, etc. It has a lot of data that it can look through. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drag down the Trello board, and we're going to place these video titles into our video ideas section. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this part. I'm just going to go ahead and add these video titles to the video idea section, and we'll continue right when I finish. Okay, so all the video ideas are now added onto the channel, and a great thing about all of these video ideas is that they're very, very evergreen. So for example, like with this video right here, this was an evergreen video, and as we can see, I uploaded this video on November 13th of 2023. So as you can see, this upload date was November 13th of 2023. So it was basically 2 years ago, a little bit under 2 years ago. So far, this video has made $93,000, as you can see. So it's gotten a total of 11.1 million views, and it's made $93,000. And if we look at the real-time data of this channel, over the past 48 hours, it's still getting views, right? It's not getting a lot of views, but it's still accumulating views over time. So if we go ahead and just switch to how much this video has made over the past year, remember it was uploaded in 2023, but still in the past year, it's made $23,000. So just one video that I uploaded in 2023, over the past year, it's still made $23,000, which that really shows how an evergreen video, just one evergreen video, can be a cash flowing asset year after year after year because it's evergreen. That means it's never going to stop accumulating views over time. And if we look at all of these video ideas and titles, these are all evergreen video titles. So all of these videos have a chance to really replicate what this video did as well. And now that we have the video titles, we want to go ahead and actually get the content team that's going to make the videos for us, because this is a completely faceless channel. You don't have to film any videos, you don't have to make your own videos, you don't have to edit, write any scripts, or do anything with video production. We can actually outsource all of that work to freelancers. And for this, we'll need a video editor, a scriptwriter, and a thumbnail designer. For this, we can go ahead and just use Upwork.com to actually hire these people. So we're going to go ahead and go over to Upwork.com. Okay, so on Upwork, we want to go ahead and go over to Hire Talent. When you go to Hire Talent, you then want to go ahead and click on Post a Job, and then just follow these steps. You can use the exact process that I do personally use as well. Okay, so when you get to this screen, after you click on Post a Job, you want to go ahead and just click on Long-Term Project. When you click long-term project, for the job title, you can use something along the lines of this. So this process is literally a copy and paste system. So this is for scriptwriter. You can literally just change it to editor if you're looking to hire an editor, and the same thing with a thumbnail designer. But for this, we're going to go ahead and just use scriptwriter. So job category, obviously we're going to choose scriptwriting. Then we're going to hit next. And for the skills, just content writing, creative writing, copywriting, script writing, anything that relates to script writing. We're going to hit next. We're going to change this to small, less than 1 month, intermediate, and yes. For the location, always just go with worldwide. For the budget, this is based on what you personally have the budget for. For fixed price, I'm just going to go ahead and just place 15. Next, and for the description, this is going to be a longer one, and we can just go ahead and just click on paste. So this is the overall description. I'll show you on this next slide right here. So this is the overall description. I'm not going to go through and read all of this, but you can kind of just pause, copy, paste, take screenshots, whatever. And it gives like a very deep breakdown of the overall scripts, the types of videos, etc. And you can even like place the link of tech new to show examples, etc. So from here, this one is good to post. We can just go ahead and click finalize job post, and then we can hit post. Just to post as a standard job, you don't need to pay for this or anything like that. Just post as standard for free. And then you want to repeat that process to hire a scriptwriter, an editor, and a thumbnail designer. For your voiceover, just use 11labs.io, and then that's like an AI model that can just make the voiceover for you. We can use AI for the voiceover because everything else is not going to be made with AI. It's going to be very transformative, so all of that is going to fall under fair use, which is completely fine to use an AI voiceover if everything else is actually non-AI and human made. And then at this point, everything is good to go. You can add your content team once hired to your Trello board, and then all you gotta do is drag these over to script to start their production. And then once you have videos ready to go and actually uploaded onto your channel, you can just go ahead and upload your videos from there. So that's the exact process from actually getting your channel set up, getting video ideas in production, and hiring your content team. That's literally step 1, 2, 3, and then going ahead and actually uploading them onto your channel. That's the same process that I used to scale this channel to make $249,000 replicating the channel Tech New.